Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula of this one. So number 3, that is 4/8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to simplify number 2. So the first thing we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc. That is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to find first the derivative of yc. And we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second the derivative of yc, and that is about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one to change for this one in here, and this one go in here, and this one go in here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So we can find lambda equals to negative number 1 and negative number 2. So in this situation, we got about yc. That is about c number 1, the constant number 1, e to the power of negative s, because we change negative number 1 go in here. So we have negative s, and we have c number 2, e to the power of negative 2s. And this is about complementary solutions. Now we go to particular solutions. So in this one, we can see that we have s plus e to the power of 3s negative e to the power of negative 3s. In this one, we can put about yb. That is about as plus b, because we have s, so we need to put s to the power of number 1 and s to the power of number 0. So that's why we got like this. And the next one, ce to the power of 3s and de to the power of negative 3s because we have this one. Now we need to do first the derivative and second the derivative of yb. So we have a plus 3c e to the power of 3s and negative 3d e to the power of negative 3s. Then we go to second derivative of yb, and we got 9c e to the power of 3s plus 9d e to the power of negative 3s. After you got this one, we go back in here. So in this situation, I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have like this. So we need to simplify this one. So 9c plus number 3 with number 3c, we have 9c and we have 2c. That is about 20c e to the power of 3s. The next one, 9d plus number 3 with negative number 3, we cancel. So we have number 2 with d. So we have 2d e to the power of negative 3s. The next one, we have 3a with 2b. The next one, we have 2as. So we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to create the system of equations. So we can see that 20c, that is about e to the power of 3s. This one we just have only number 1. So 20c equals to number 1. 2d equals to negative number 1. 3a plus 2b equals to number 0 because we don't have the constant, and 2a equals to number 1. And now we can find the solutions of A, B, C, D. Now we put A, B, C, D, go back in here. So we combine the answer. So we have y equals to yc plus yb. So we have this one and this one, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.